Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today. In this video, I have a really exciting announcement. I have finally come up with my own transformative courses and challenges. I have taken my own sweet time, around 2 years, 2.5 years, if you consider the launch time, that is next year, June 2025, to work on these courses. I did not want these to be just random courses anyone is putting together and just releasing them. I wanted these to really be in depth, really provide you some sustainable knowledge and changes in your life. The first product I released last year was my Ultimate Manifestation Packs that have really helped out people, and I'm really proud of those packs. These packs are the perfect solution for anyone looking for a middle ground who do not want to invest too much in one coaching and feel you don't really get too much out of one session, and who feel that the membership group coaching is very general. So, for those people, these are the perfect packs that are action driven. They tell you what to do and they give you the perfect solution to the question you have in your mind. And that's the same way I advertised my Ultimate Manifestation Packs. The basic pack is equivalent to 30 minutes of coaching and 3 email coaching pack. And the 360 power pack is equivalent to 60 minutes coaching and 5 email coaching pack, because anything you want to ask in those coaching sessions or in those emails, you will find an answer to that. The only difference is you won't see my face in it. It's in a written format in the form of 2 Excel sheets. And again, as I mentioned, I want to cater to different kind of people who have different kind of budgets. So in order to fulfill that requirement, I have split up these packs into 4 mini manifestation packs. So in case you do not want to invest in the basic pack or the 360 power pack and you want really specific parts of it, you can invest in the mini packs. So there are 4 mini packs available: the manifestation routine pack, limiting beliefs pack, overcoming resistance and negative feelings pack, and the fourth pack is the manifestation workbooks bundle. Now, coming to my courses and challenges. Before I get into what these courses and challenges include, I want to let you know that these are not yet released. They are releasing within June or July 2025. So these are 8 products in total. I'm releasing 4 manifestation challenges and 4 in-depth courses. And not all of these courses and challenges will release in June and July 2025. I have spread the release across 6 months. So, out of 4 challenges, 2 of the challenges are releasing in January, and the remaining 2 challenges are releasing in the month of Feb. From April to July, the 4 courses will be released each month. So, April, May, June, and July. To know which course is releasing during which month, you can go to my activity scheduling page. So, to summarize, the challenges are releasing in the next 2 months, and the courses will release during the next 6 to 7 months, one by one. And because there is still time for these to be released, I have launched an early bird offer of 15% discount. So, anyone who wishes to purchase the challenge or the course before the official release date can apply that code and receive a 15% discount on the actual price. Once the course or challenge is released, that coupon will no longer be valid. For example, the first 2 challenges that are releasing in the month of Jan, you can only apply the code till Jan. Once they're released, you cannot get the 15% discount. You can only get the discount for the remaining 2 challenges that are releasing in the following month in Feb. Unless you're a part of my YouTube membership group, specifically Platinum and Diamond membership, you get 15% off all my products and services throughout the year. So if you want unexpiring discount, you can check out my membership group details. Now, how can the Indian customers make the payment for this? Again, it's the same method that I discussed in the coaching video. You can go to my scheduling page and see what kind of challenge or course suits you. There's a Google form or a Google Drive folder link over there. Go to the Google form, fill out the details, make the payment. The price in Indian rupees with the discount and without the discount is mentioned over there. Once you have made the payment, you have to send me an email with the screenshot and the details of which course you have chosen or the challenge you have chosen, and we will go ahead from there. Now, coming to what do the courses include? So, the courses have the same price. All the courses have the same price and are designed in the similar manner. All the courses include 5 extensive modules. Each module includes 5 chapters, which brings it up to 25 chapters. And it includes 5 video lessons. So each video is 1 hour long, or there would be 2 videos half an hour long. In any case, you would be receiving 5 hour long video lessons. Along with this, there would be a SATS guided meditation shared with you. You would receive a 30-minute daytime tape and a 2 hour nighttime audio tape. You will also receive a manifestation routine to ensure that you are following your discipline, making your desire a priority, and giving undivided focus to it. Now, in comparison to the courses, what do the challenges include? The challenges are a very direct fact that you will purchase. It's a 4 week challenge. Each week, you receive a half an hour video from my side plus an exercise book. The videos will give you instructions on what you have to do that week and what the challenge is all about. And then you receive practical exercises each week. You also receive 3 sets of techniques material that you have to incorporate during those 4 weeks, plus 1 SATS guided meditation. So I don't want you to skip SATS at all. That's not a choice. That's going to be a part of your routine every night and every morning. Apart from SATS, there are 3 more techniques material for each week that I will provide you. So basically, each week includes an in-depth video with instructions, a practical exercise, techniques, and a SATS guided meditation. Again, all the challenges are priced equally and designed in the same manner. But there are certain perks you will receive with the courses because it's a bigger investment. You will receive 15% off, and that code does not expire. It's a one-time code. You can use that for any of the challenges you want to purchase or any of the courses you want to purchase. And in addition to that, there is a guided meditation, as I mentioned, right, for SATs included in your course. But I would be providing a free subliminal, and not just a free subliminal, a customized subliminal. You can customize it the way you want. So you will be taken to a form where you will write down all the details, everything from what kind of music you prefer, what kind of audio effect you want layered on subliminal, what kind of affirmations do you want. You can customize everything, and I'm giving you my highest product because I'm not just providing you the 3-minute subliminal audio tape. I'll also be creating a video for you. So this product separately is around $75, video plus audio. I'm providing you both the things in this course for free. So these are the 2 perks if you invest in the course. 15% off on any of the future courses or challenges, which does not expire. Use it when you want. After 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it does not matter. And you get a pre-customized subliminal of your choice, which will take this course for you one step ahead because you have a powerful SATS guided meditation and now you have a subliminal. So you can hear the subliminal a few nights, switch to the SATS guided meditation, whatever works for you. Now, what are the perks you receive if you invest in the challenges? The perks are my personal tips, tricks, methods, and stories. If you know me, you know I do not share a lot of this anywhere. Not on my main channel. You'll find a lot of it on my membership group videos. To the members watching my videos, I share a lot of details. I have shared details in the past how I manifested jobs and hikes and money and continuous contact and non-stop messages and a glowing face, a stronger self-concept, and various things I manifest during my day-to-day life. So if you see the challenges, they are very specific to the things that I have expertise in and I have mastered. And if you see, they are very targeted. The 4 challenges are called non-stop texts. I have mastered that. Blinding glow, that's something I have mastered. Then it goes up to money out of thin air. I have mastered this multiple times. And the last one is let the magic begin. So let the magic begin is for people who are just starting out their journey and want to kind of increase and build their belief in this process of manifestation. It's also suitable for those people who have kind of gotten stuck so much in their 3D reality, daily routine, their mediocre circumstances in life that they have forgotten the power they hold. They've forgotten the power of their God self and their subconscious mind. So, in the Let the Magic Begin challenge, I teach you and give you guidance and instructions how to manifest something related to people, something related to an object, materialistic object, something related to an experience. So, we are covering different categories here. Once you see yourself manifesting in an experience, an object, a non materialistic object, that is human beings, you will see and feel your power coming back. Through this challenge, you and I together will prove it to you that how you have control over your reality. And once you see these things happening, once you've manifested one thing each week, you will take your power back. You will understand the power of your mind and you will be able to restart your manifestation journey with new faith. Non-stop texts is all about receiving continuous contact. I've mastered this multiple times, even after a no contact situation, even after someone saying they're not interested. Okay, all these juicy details are in my membership group videos. If you're interested, you can have a look over there. So, in this challenge, you and I together will work towards you manifesting non-stop messages and contact from whoever you want. It can be a specific person, it can be anyone else. Now, the third challenge, Blinding Glow, is all about beauty and your self concept. We will change your perspective around beauty, we will change how you see yourself, and by the end of the challenge, we will together work towards you seeing a glow and different kind of happiness, not just on your face but internally. You will feel more relaxed, more secure, and more peaceful. I started working towards Blinding Glow, my personal Blinding Glow, back in 2020. And since then, my glow has not gone anywhere. It's something that I receive compliments on time and again, whether it's on my videos or in my real life. Before that, I did have a good skin, an average skin, but not really a glowing skin. I have changed my perspective of beauty and how I look at myself in the mirror and how I feel about myself a lot in the past 5 years. You can check out this video called How to Become Attractive and Irresistible to Your Specific Person. In that, I have discussed about beauty a lot and how my journey has been around that. The fourth and last challenge is manifesting money out of thin air. I love this topic. I love this topic the most, more than specific person, more than self concept, because I love money. I love making money. I love monetizing my skills and I love teaching others how to make money. And it's not really the money I focus on. I like to look at it as building wealth. So earning money is one thing, but building wealth with it is a completely different topic. And that's what I'm really interested in. Wealth, abundance, ever flowing abundance that never stops, which will enable you to take care of yourself and your family and your loved ones. I love luxury. I love comfort. I love materialistic things. Okay, that's me. And what motivates me the most is definitely this part that I want to take care of myself, but me wanting to take care of my loved ones. And that includes everything. When you have money in abundance and when you have created enough wealth, you get power of choice. Everything is accessible to you. And I'm talking not just about luxury and comfort, but things such as medical facilities. So I love money. I love spending money on myself. I love spending money on my loved ones. I love spoiling them. And that is why I have expertise in this area. I have manifested money out of thin air. I have manifested the exact job I wanted. I manifested the exact salary, appraisal, and hikes I wanted. There was a period of 2.5 years where every 6 months I have been a top performer and manifested the exact kind of hike percentage that I wanted. It was back to back every 6 months, every 6 months, every 6 months. And eventually that became so normal for me. It made my self concept around money really strong. That whatever I put my mind to, or whatever kind of amount I select for my salary, for a new job, for a hike, I would receive the exact amount or more. So all these challenges are really, really personal to me. I've done this in my real life. I've done this continuously, not just once. And because manifestation is a lifestyle for me, I manifest these things on a continuous basis. So I've not created challenges on anything that I've not done in my real life. That's why the name of the challenges are really, really specific. And these are the perks and benefits that you get in the challenges. My personal tips, tricks, methods, whatever I've done in 3D, what I've done internally would be a part of those videos. Now, lastly, what are the differences between a course and a challenge? So, the course definitely has an in depth approach and in depth practical exercises. It not only includes theoretical knowledge, but also in depth practical exercise books, including all the what's, why's, when's, and how's. So, for example, if it is related to money or specific person, the course starts from the most basic things. What is money all about? What is a specific person? Is it wrong to manifest? Is it okay to have desires? Is it okay to manifest a person? All the basic details building up to steps and actionable items and the kind of mindset you need to have to start materializing that desire in your reality. These courses can span over a period of 5 weeks or 10 weeks, depending on how your personality is, how good you are at manifestation. I have divided each module for 1 week, which makes it 5 weeks. But you can utilize 2 weeks for one module and make it a 10-week course. And I would advise you to make it a 10-week course because each module is really in depth. It has 5 chapters, then it has a video lesson and 2 different exercise books. So it would be easier to slow yourself down and kind of span it over a period of 2 weeks instead of torturing yourself into finishing it over 1 week. When it comes to the challenges, it's more of a narrowed down and targeted approach. It's more of when and what and less of how and why. And it's a straight up 4-week challenge. Okay. I want you to concentrate on one video, one exercise, and one technique for 1 week and then move on to the next one. You can also look at the challenges as a perfect extension or a perfect sequel to the in depth courses. For example, if you have taken the course Millionaire at Heart, you can now challenge yourself in a practical way by investing in the money out of thin air challenge and prove it to yourself that yes, you can manifest money out of it. So you can look at it more like instruction and homework, which tells you exactly what you need to do this week. If you've taken the self-concept course, I Am Worth It, the challenge of Blinding Glow would be a good extension to it. If you have taken the course Reclaim Your Specific Person, the challenge Non-Stop Texts are a perfect extension to that. And if you've taken the course 30 Days Breakthrough Challenge, then the perfect extension to that would be Let the Magic Begin. So I hope you were able to understand everything about these transformative courses and challenges. Do not forget that the release dates are within July 2025. So if you want to avail the 15% discount as an early bird offer, you have to do it before the official release date. The official release date is visible on the scheduling page and it has also been mentioned in this video. And if you want 15% discount on all my products and services throughout the year, unexpiring discount, you can become a part of my Platinum group membership. And along with the weekly Q&A live streaming, if you're looking for challenge videos, 15% discount on products and services, and 10% discount on my merch, you can join the Diamond membership group. All the details related to my YouTube membership group is in one of the previous videos. You can also check out the products and services playlist in the video description to have a better idea of what I offer. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm really looking forward to launching these challenges and courses that I have poured my heart into and all the knowledge and expertise I possibly can have.